Women are just too sensitive. We get to hear this many times. For too long, women have been led to believe that their sensitivity is negative. If we can be sensitive towards people and empathize with them, if we can be more nurturing towards relationships, if we can have a good communication, if we can value other relationships, other qualities in other people, why can't we be sensitive for ourselves? Let's put this notion to rest because we are sensitive about much more. We're sensitive about quality education. We're sensitive about safe mobility. We're sensitive about equal pay. We're sensitive about successful tomorrow. On this Women's Day, I want to send a message to all the women out there. Sensitivity is a part of human nature. It's okay to be sensitive. It's okay to set your boundaries. It's okay to make your own choices. Set your own Rivaj.